Hello everyone, today I'll be introducing a throat microphone, the 4-037K. Throat microphone, also known as laryngophone, are used to transmit voice and sound comes from your throat. It also uses the VOX function, which stands for Voice Operated Exchange, allows the microphone to activate the PTT as soon as it detects the vibration in your throat. VOX is widely used in the industrial world. As most people are working, they don't seem to have free hands to use a walkie-talkie if they have to. However, VOX can be easily affected by the work environment due to loud noises. So that's when throat microphone comes in handy. They only react to vibration and completely ignores noises that comes from your surrounding. Now I'll teach you how to use the microphone properly. On the cords of the microphone, there is a PTT button and a switch. It allows you to switch between manual PTT mode and VOX mode. Now you put the sensor around your throat and plug the cord into the walkie-talkie. Choose the input mode first and then turn on the walkie-talkie. In this case, I use the VOX mode.
1 2 1 2 1 2 3 4。嗱，而家我講嘢係咪自動發射啊？嗱，呢部機係你講係對方嗰個聲音嗰個機嚟嘅。
When I take the sensor off and talk near it, the PTT won't activate since it does not react to any other noises.
即係佢 detect 唔到嗰個震動啊！呢一個感應器。
For this, other loud environment will make no difference, such as construction areas, which is one of the most common places you would experience loud noises.